Hi, Direct Marketing Solution. This is my company's name, and it is a concept. DMS. It is a concept. It was started way back in Canada at exactly 1982. And in short, we are the business solution providing company for all national, international, multinational brands. And we work for multiplex theaters, unisex saloons, restaurants, fast food chains, and two-wheeler and four-wheeler service stations, and three-star, four-star hotels. And we work with a lot of brands like Domino's, KFC, McDonald's, like Lapino's Pizza, Juno's Pizza, and we work for Imagica, SL World, Water Kingdom, Nandanvan Resort, Anand Resort. Like we work for Maruti Suzuki, like Honda, like Spectrum, like a lot of national, international, multinational brands we already worked for. Like exactly what we do, we create a solution through direct marketing. Any established new business or it is a old business, for the customers, welcoming the customers is the main task for advertising. For example, there is a brand new restaurant. The owner he spent a lot of money on establishing, that means creating a theme, and the great staff, everything. But the customers is not walking. He's going to meet with losses. And what exactly we do, we create, we bring the footfalls. Just and if, for example, if he wants to build a business, any business owner wants to build a business, he needs to do something like he needs to invest on advertising, like either boarding, hoarding, either online, like either a type with the Zomato, anything like that. But all cost to the company. But we are the only organization we doesn't charge a single rupee to the brand. But on top of that, we give business to them. We have only one thing: the client, the business owner, is ready to give a best deal to the customers. We're ready to work with them. We design the offer. We create a privileged membership card, and we print the card, and we market the card through our marketing team. We go door to door, shop to shop, office to office, person to person, one on one basis. We created four big things. We achieved four big things through this concept. The first thing, we create massive awareness by talking with a lot of people in a day. We speak with 2,000 to 3,000 people in a day with my entire team in that particular area. Create a massive awareness by talking one on one, word of mouth. Second, we create a brand new customers for the people. By giving a best deals to them, we attract. Money is the greatest motivation, and everybody wants to save the money. By giving a best deals to them, we create a lot of brand new customers to the client. And the third, loyalty. If anybody purchase the privileged membership card for 6 months, 8 months, or 1 year, he bind to come to the same client. It doesn't go for other clients. And the fourth, frequency of the customer. Because of the tempting offer, he tried to come more times. He tried to come walking more times and order more times to the client from the business. Through these four achievements, we guaranteed within a span of 1 month or 2 months down the line, we generate 60 to 70% more footfalls and more business to the clients. It's one of the most successful and most effective advertising concept. All the best. See you there.